In this session, we'll talk about that how exactly we can install our Power BI into that of your Windows system and also in your MacBook. Although it's a Microsoft product, Power BI is a Microsoft product, so it's not that easy to install it on Mac. But I'll show you that how with the help of virtualization you can have the software. So first of all, for that of Windows, we'll go for Microsoft Power BI. We'll type it and Google it out, and that will open a page, the first page or second page, whatever you want to click on that. So once we'll go over the download page, here you can see the pricing if at all you want to buy this software. I don't want to buy this software, so I can go to that of its product and you can find it out that Power BI desktop. So this is the thing that we have to install for our Windows laptop. So if I'll click on Power BI desktop, you'll find out a download free. So if at all I want to download it, so I'll click on download, and it's asking me that do you want to open that and install it through Microsoft Store. So I have said yes, and you can see now that it's opening my Microsoft Store. From there I can easily get this software, not at all a problem, right? Once you have installed, although my laptop is having Power BI, so I'm not going to install it again, but simply you have to click on get and you will get the Power BI desktop for free. For that of Mac users, one thing that you have to install is Parallels for Mac. So that is indeed a virtualization software. So Parallels is indeed a virtualization software which will help you to install Power BI. So simply write Parallels for Mac and you will get this option, right? So here you can click and this will open you with this page. So although you have to pay for it, but I'll go for free. So simply click on free and that will install you the software called as Parallel. Parallel is indeed a virtualization software, so that means that it will give you a virtualized environment of Windows 11 in your MacBook, right? So once you have downloaded that, you can simply install Power BI in the same manner that we have done it using the Windows, right? So the same steps. Once you have downloaded this Parallel software, you will get a Microsoft Edge into it, and from Microsoft Edge you can simply search for Microsoft BI software as we have done it for Windows. You will get the same screen, right? And from there you can download it and it will download it for you. I think this will work for you. Thank you.